Okay, so to braid, for those of you who don't know how to braid, there's nothing to it. Let me unknot my string real quick. Okay, let me cut a little short piece of string so I can show you how to braid. Okay. Okay. So you tie your knot. This is also a way to make your rope. You have to make at least 3 braided ropes. And mine are maybe 2 to 3 feet. Anyways, you take the end of your string, all 3 together, wrap it around your finger, and it should look like this. You take this, you push it into the hole, you grab the ends, and you pull it. Okay. Now, the key to braiding is repetition. You have to remember the fact that if you mess it up, it won't work. So, here's how you do it. Simply pick your middle, which I choose this string to be the middle. Okay, you take the left, you go over, pull the middle to the left, take this one, over, pull, over, pull, over, pull, over, pull, over, pull, over, pull, over, 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 same thing, same, and I'm not going to sit here and braid the whole thing. I'm going to braid half of it so you guys can get those of you will understand. Now, once again, just take it, pick the middle, you go over, you pick the middle, okay? This string right here is my middle string. I take the one on the left, right? You take it and you go over your middle. You pull your middle. You take you take your right side string. You put it over the current one in the middle. You pull. Same thing. Same. And eventually you will have a braid like this.